أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 2. Simple letters not combined with any other. In this lesson, all the letters alphabet have their names. If there is one dot, nuqtah, below the letter, it is read ba. If there are two dots on the letter, it is read ta. And if there are three dots above the letter, it is sa. You have to speak only the names of letters. No need to count the dots or to say above or below. Just read the names. Now listen and read with me. There is one line containing letters. The vertical line is named as alif. Don't read with long accent, that is alif, alif. Just alif, alif. After this, read ba, ba, ba. Join both the lips and speak. The moment it is spoken, your lips get separated. Now listen again. Keep your kalima finger, index finger on the letters. Alif, alif. Ba, ba. Alif, ba. Alif, alif. Ba. Please turn over the page. You are on page number 2. The first line is read from right to left as the Arabic is read. It starts with ba, as it has a dot below. Then you have ta, which has two dots above. Ta is pronounced by joining the tip of tongue and the root of two teeth of upper jaw, and should be read soft as ta, ta. To, to is wrong. It should not be heavy. Read it in a soft way. Ta. Now read the first line. Ba, ta, alif, ta, ta, ba, ba, ta. Read line number 2. Ta, sa. It has sa. After ta, it has three dots on it. Sa is pronounced with the upper part of tip of tongue joined with the corners of upper teeth. A little of the tip of the tongue is to come out to pronounce it correctly. Sa, sa. See the second line. Ta, sa, sa, ba, sa, ta, sa, alif. See the third line and read with me. Tha, ba, ta, tha, ta, alif, tha, Jim. In the third line, you have Jim as the last letter. It has a dot in its belly or its curve. Jim is pronounced from the middle of the tongue. Line number 4 is Jim, alif, Jim, ta, Jim, tha, Jim, ba, Jim. Line number 5 has a Jim without a dot, nuqtah. This is named or sounded as ha. This letter is called a guttural letter as it is pronounced from the middle of the throat, and the letter ain also gets pronounced in the same way. Middle of the throat. Now read ha, ha, Jim, ha, tha, ha, Jim, ha. In the last, it is kha, which has a dot on its head. This is pronounced from the front of the throat. It should be read loudly, whatever accent it is given. Pronounce kha like this. Kha, kha, akh, line number 6, kha, ha, kha, jim, kha, kha, ha, kha, ha. Line number 7, ta, alif, tha, ha, dal, which is bent from upper side and below side, making almost a semicircle. It is called dal. This is also pronounced by joining the tip of tongue and root of upper incisor teeth. Read this line, line number 7 again. Ta, alif, tha, ha, dal, ha, dal, dal, ha, dal. Line number 8, jim, dal, zal. A dot on dal is named as zal, zal, zal. It has same makhraj or point of emanation as tha. Read line number 8 from the beginning. Jim, Dal, Zal, Zal, Dal, Zal, Ba, Zal, Kha, Zal. Line number 9 has a new letter, Ra. It is a little different from Dal. The lower part is not curvy but a little straight. Read line number 9 from the beginning. Ra, Dal, Ra, Ra, Zal, Ra, Dal, Ra, Kha, Zal, Ra. Line number 10. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra. Line number 11. A dot on Ra is called Za. Now read Za, Ra, Za, Za, Ra, Za, Zal, Za. This after Zal is also Za, and before Zal also Za. It is written both the ways. It is pronounced from the beginning part of tip of the tongue and the upper side of the lower incisor teeth as Tatanazzal. There are 3 letters pronounced from this makhraj or position of emanating sound, that is Za, Seen, Sod. A whistling sound should be felt when pronounced as Anzalna min as-samaa marsus. Read this line again from the beginning. Za, Ra, Za, Za, Ra, Za, Zal, Za, Dal, Za, Seen. If it is seen, it should be still thin, and Sod more heavy and high sounding. Read line number 12. Seen, Za, Seen, Ra, Seen, seen. Fa, seen. Za, zal. Read line number 13. Seen, alif, ra, seen, jim, za, ta, ha, dal, ba, za. Read line 14. Kha, seen, sheen. This is read as sheen. When there are 3 dots on the seen, it is known as sheen. While pronouncing it, the breath gets spread in the mouth buccal cavity. This is also called mutafashshiyah in tajweed intonation. This also emanates from the middle part of the tongue. Read line 14 from the beginning. Kha, seen, sheen, sheen, seen, sheen, kha, sheen, zal. Line 15. Sheen, Sod. After sheen, one Sod, which is like seen, but its mouth is closed. Pronounced from the makhraj of seen, that is, the tip of tongue and the upper part of lower incisors. This also gives a whistling sound. Sod, os, making round the tongue and taking it towards the upper part of the throat. This is read heavily and loudly as Sod, and lastly qalqalah is done on dal, a special additional sound like clacking sound. Sod. Read this line again. Sheen, Sod, Seen, Sod, Sod, Sheen, Wad. Wad is a letter with a dot on Sod. It is called Wad. Right or left blade of the middle part of tongue and right or left upper molar teeth are used in the pronunciation. Wad, غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. After Zod, Alif, Sheen. This completes page number 2. Now read first line on page 3. Now read first line on page 3. صاد ضاد ضاد صاد ضاد شين ضاد زا ضاد. Second line alif ba ta fa jim ha kha dal zal ra za. Third line sin sheen صاد ضاد ضاد شين صاد شين ضاد. Read line number 4. The first letter is Ta. It is written with a vertical line only on the head of Sad, excluding the lower circle. To pronounce, use the tip of the tongue and root of 2 upper incisors. Read it heavily as Ta, Ta. In Ta and Ta, a difference is there in pronunciation. Ta is thin, whereas Ta is heavy. After Ta, we have Dha, which has a dot on Ta. With a dot, it is Dha, and without a dot, Ta. Dha is pronounced with tip of the tongue and from the edge of upper incisor teeth. The tip of tongue should come out a little. Read it heavy as Dha, Dha. To read a letter heavily, make the tongue a little round and bring it towards the upper part of throat. It makes the sound heavy as قال الله نصر الله واتقوا الله. If a letter is to be read soft, spread your tongue in the mouth and keep the mouth open as أعوذ بالله بسم الله لله. Read line 4 again. Ta, Za, Za, Ta, 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 Za, Ta, Za, Zod, Za. Line 5. Sad, Ta, Za, Za. ضاد ذال ظا طا سين طا شين. Line 6. دال طا را ظا عين غين. Ain and ghain, these letters come after za. Without a dot, it is ain, and with dot, it is ghain. On the top of a small head, like curve. Ain is pronounced from the middle of the throat, and ghain from the front of the throat. Oh, oh. Read line 6 again. Dal طا را ظا عين غين غين عين عين طا غين ظا. Line 7. غين ضاد عين صاد عين سين غين سين طا صاد. Line 8. طا عين حاء عين غين خاء غين جيم عين صاد. Now line number 9. عين صاد سين طا عين ظا غين فا فا عين. After ghain, it is fa. It is like ba, but begins with a small closed round head and completes like ba with a dot below but on the round head. This emanates by touching the lower edge of the upper teeth to the inside of the lower lip as F, F. Line number 10. Fa, Ain, Fa, Sad, Fa, Ta, Fa, Rad, Alif, Ra. Line number 11. Fa, Ba, Fa, Ta, Fa, Tha, Shin, Za, Fa. Line 12. Qaf. Qaf is similar to Fa, but it has a circular base, and instead of one, it has two dots side by side. This is called Qaf. The sound of this comes from the extreme part of tongue and from front of the ula, the hanging tongue-like structure. Qaf is not pronounced like kha kha khaf. Haqqo, aqo is the correct sound of qaf, qaf. Read line 12. Qaf, Qaf, Fa, Qaf, Zal, Qaf, Ain, Qaf, Ta, Qaf. Line number 13. Dal, Za, Qaf, Ghain, Qaf, Kaf, Kaf, Qaf, Kaf, Fa. Kaf is written 2 times. It comes out from outer part of ula. Line number 14. Kaf, Ta, Kaf, Ain, Kaf, La, Kaf, Qaf, Kaf, Ghain. See the last line. at the end. كاف فا عين قاف غين صاد قاف ضاد ألف كاف. This completes page 3. Turn to page 4. See and read with me. Keep your karima finger, index finger, on the letters. Line 1. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin. Line 2. Sheen, Sod, Zod, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf. Line 3. Read. It starts with Lam. It is made with a vertical alif and a curvy end of the lower part towards left. This is called Lam. This makes its sound by joining the tip of the tongue and inner part of the gums of the upper teeth. Read Lam, Lam. Then we have letter Mim. It is marking line of English letter A on the opposite side of its head or circle, or it is a circle with a small tail. Read this line again. Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Lam, Mim, Kaf, Lam, Qaf, Mim. Line 4 starts with Noon. It is like a crescent half moon with a dot in it. This is pronounced from just below the makhraj of Lam. For example, in Al, the tongue touches the upper part of the gums, whereas An is slightly from the lower part of gums. Read line 4 again. Noon, Noon, Lam, Noon, Mim. Noon. Mim. Lam. Fifth line. Lam. Mim. Noon. Waw. Waw is similar to dal but has a round closed head. This should be pronounced making the mouth like a blossoming bird in which two lips come together and project forward, as aw, bow, taw, law, saw. Read this line from the beginning. Lam, mim, noon, waw, waw, mim, waw, noon, waw, kaf, waw. Line number 6. Mim, waw, ha. After waw, the letter is called ha. It emanates from the back of the throat as ha. Read line 6 again. Mim, waw, ha, ha, waw, ha, lam, ha, noon, ha, mim. Line 7. Ha, waw, ha, hamzah. After ha, it is hamzah, which is like the head of ayn. Read line 7 again. Ha, waw, ha, hamzah, hamzah, ha, hamzah, mim, hamzah, waw, hamzah, ha. Read line 8. Noon, hamzah, lam, hamzah, mim, hamzah, ya. After hamzah, we have letter ya, which is like English letter S, but the lower part is bigger and round. 2 dots are given below this letter. Read this line again. Noon, همزة لام همزة ميم همزة يا همزة يا همزة نون. Line number 9. या हा या वाव या मीम हा हमज़ा काफ लाम वाव या. Line 10. मीम लाम हा नून या वाव लाम या नून हा हमज़ा वाव. Line 11. या जीम जा सीन हमज़ा ऐन हा फा शीन हा तो नून. Line 12. बा मीम या ता क़ाफ फा वाव रा नून लाम صاد. Line 13. لام دال غين خا نون ضاد ذال يا ظا لام ألف كاف همزة. Read exactly as I read with correct accent. If I elongate a letter, you also elongate. If I shorten, you also shorten it. Learn it by heart, the complete set of alphabet, that is alif to ya. On this page 4, we have a last line, and in the beginning of page 5, we have 2 more lines which completes the total number of alphabet. These are 29 in total. These Arabic letters are called huruf hija or huruf tahajji. Learn it as you learn your ABCD to Z. It is alif to ya here. Always keep your kalima finger, index finger on the letters. Page number 4, last line. Alif, ba, ta, fa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra. See page 5 and read with me. Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Zod, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamzah, Ya. I read it for 2 or 3 times, as these are the most important letters whose correct pronunciation ensures the correct meaning. Otherwise, the meanings might change drastically and it may inflict sins. Allah save us from this. Read these letters again. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Zod, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamzah, Ya. Read again. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, Sod, ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا. Read it as many times as you can and correct its pronunciation.